What I want to message to you here, convey to you here, is that basically anything you can think of that's unhealthy, you can make it just as tasty, but healthier for you. And that's really the homemade method way. The simple switches philosophy is a lifesaver, because instead of most diets where it's about deprivation and willpower and it's not really sustainable, what we're saying is satisfy your sweet tooth, but do it the homemade method way. And bullet 1 is to make simple switches. All right. Bullet 2 is do the steps needed for the reset response, which is start cooking most of what you eat. If you already do that, start eating more whole natural ingredients. And when in doubt, add more plants. So I haven't talked much about plants in this session, but I mean dark leafy greens and carrots and celery and cucumber and fennel and, you know, zucchini and asparagus and all the Brussels sprouts and all the rest, and broccoli and cauliflower and all of that. When you cook most of your food and you start adding more plants and more of the good carbs we talked about in the beginning and more of the omega-3s, then you activate your reset response and you will literally reset your palate. You will literally reset your cravings. You will have the experience that many of the ladies shared already in the chat, which is you won't crave so much sugar all the time. Things that used to taste good to you will taste overly sweet and sickly. And this works, and you just have to do it and you will heal your body. So can't be more powerful than that. That's just one, you just got to do it to get the benefits. And the benefits is so awesome, because not only do you lose weight, feel more healthy, get better blood results from your doctor, you know, start seeing your pants getting looser, get your energy back, improve your skin, all of those amazing benefits. But also sweets taste better again. And that is such a win. So you can have now 1 scoop of ice cream, whereas you used to have 4, and suddenly 1 tastes like heavenly and you feel so satisfied from that. And you go, wow, I used to eat 4 scoops and now I have 1, but I'm more satisfied and that tasted more delicious. And who doesn't want that? So it's really, really worth it. This isn't about trying to be perfect. This is about finding a way to be healthy that's easy and satisfying and sustainable. And then the final bullet point on point 2 about satisfying your sweet tooth the homemade method way is you still have to listen to your body. So I do feel like one of the mistakes ladies make sometimes when they start the homemade method is they dive into the philosophy and they love it and they're doing all the simple switches and cooking all the foods, but they're not really listening to their bodies, and calories and portions do still matter. So eating healthier isn't a free card to just eat unlimited quantities or every time the thought occurs to you. So you've got to try and search for that elusive balancing point where your enjoyment has dropped, you're not really hungry anymore, you've had enough but not too much, and play with that. Play with just stopping there. And the more you do it, you say to yourself, yeah, I could keep eating, but I don't need to. I'm not hungry anymore. If I get hungry in an hour and a half, I can eat again, no big deal. I'm just going to stop. I'm going to pack the food away. And you'll be amazed after a few days or weeks of this, how much less you're actually eating now and how easy it is and how you're not hungry anymore. So find that place. It's not about going, I'm starving, I'm going to just go hungry, but find that place where you just go, I've had enough, you know. Don't be afraid of being hungry, because you can eat again if you get hungry again. So keep working on that. It's really important.